All right, so we just received this in the mail, so we're going to unbox it. It's an S20 Lite beginner drone. Supposedly this is for beginners, which ages 14 and up. Oh, look at that. Comes in a nice packaged box. All right, that's cool. Let's go ahead and shut this. I'm going to hang on to this because this could make a really good Christmas gift, right? All right, so let's go here. Let's see what's in here. Let's unzip it. Cross your fingers, this is awesome. Cha-ching! All right, so here we have, I do believe this is the drone here. So we got to get it out of its package. And, all right, so when you get this, it's all wrapped up. You're going to need some scissors, right? So I'm going to grab a pair of scissors, and I think we're just going to do this. Right? Scissors are terrible, because it did not want to let me open it up. But look at this. This looks pretty cool. Wow, look at that. There it is. That is interesting. Right, so that sits like down in there like that. And over here, I think, is your controller. And I'm not sure if you hook it up to iPhone or what, but we're going to find out, I guess. Let's see if I can just pull this open without breaking everything. Oh, man. Why do they make it so hard? All right, there it is. And I do believe it looks like, yeah, you hook this to your phone. And so look, so this opens up for your phone. You follow me? And I think it doesn't look like it's gonna fit a super big phone. I mean, like my that is, maybe it'll fit the Pro Max. I don't know, we'll find out. But anyway, these are your controllers. There's your on button. There's your speed, 2 and 1. This is, it looks like up and down. This looks like flip. This looks like do a circle. This is stop. So that looks pretty simple, right? Oh, look. What's here? I don't know what this is. These open up, I think. Well, oh, here's the video. Photo and videos. All right, so let's set that down. And in here, what do we have? Oh, these are the batteries, all right? So these have to be charged, right? So you get 2 of them. Hang on. See if I can get it out of here. Yeah, there we go. So you've got these 2 batteries, and there's your charging ports on them. They're right here. And I think this probably has to be charged up too. So let's just set those down. Let's look in here. Okay, we've got what looks like a USB to C. Yep, okay, let's put that right there. And then we also have the instructions, got a QR code on it. We're gonna need to read these, okay? Quick start, right? It kind of shows you how to open up the wings on it, which you need to know. And then in here are the wings, and you get not wings, but the propellers, and you get looks like a Phillips head screwdriver and a bunch of little screws. Okay, so that's that. So those are extra propellers. So you do have the propellers on here. And I do believe you've got to go first with this side out, right? And then you can do the bottom, because this has like this thing on it. So that's how that works there, like that. Bam, there you go. That's ready to go. We can go ahead and just pull this off of here, because I don't think we need, that's the lens right there. So you've got 4K on here, right? So check it out, there's 4K on this lens, and there seems to be, yeah, okay, so there's where you put your battery, right? So the battery slides in there with this side right here down. So to get it out, you're gonna have to squeeze it, right? So this goes in like that. I don't know if it's got a charge on it or not. Let's see. Okay, that snaps it in. Oh yeah, look. I did see a little blinking light there. There's your on button here. Okay, all right, I get it. All right, so that's pretty much that. Now we just got to figure out how to fly the thing. And we got to figure out how this works. But that's what comes in the box, ladies and gentlemen. You get all of that, and it comes in this really nifty little case. All right, so when you're closing this thing up, you got to go bottom and then top, okay? And make sure you don't catch your little propellers. So you got to go bottom and, whoops, bottom and then top, like this. And that kind of closes it up. Now I left the battery in there, but I think we can pop the battery out. Let's do that. Just kind of pull it, and then it slides right out. And then we'll just set her there for a second. All right, now I'm going to put everything back in here. And look, and notice, look, these have to go a certain way, right? So you got to get them, you know, and then you put it back in its little holding spot. These, of course, you can look at it. It's got a little thing here. You're going to slip them in like that. So you got to, you know, make sure that that goes into that little spot there. And then we want to save these in this. All right, now we're ready to figure out how to do it. We're going to have to go and read all the instructions, and then we'll come back and we'll fly this thing. How's that sound? But that's the unboxing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.